Weekly updates on current events, K-pop trends, and Chi-Chi news. Weekly Chi News. 안녕하세요 여러분. I'm your Chi News anchor, Admin Imnida. Past happenings on Chi-Chi PH for Chi News. Chi-Chi PH just opened their official Twitter account for their events and games for Chi Fam. And as for the opening event, on the same day, they also released GAF teasers for their newest event. Last June 1, they finally announced their event called Chi-Chi PH AO Writing Fest, and a total of 23 writers joined the event. Last June 5, the long-awaited announcement of 3 lucky winners for our opening giveaway was already picked. They are at Yongibir 0309, at Casteria, and at Use FLTR. They can choose between Lightstick or album of their choice. Congratulations! Lastly, we are proud to say that all Batch 1 items are finally 100% disinfected and dispatched by our carrier partners. Headlines. Batch 1 latest update. All items were already picked up by LBC and JNT, and some Chi Farms already received their items. Don't forget to post and tweet us with the hashtag Chichi_feedbacks and tag us on our official account on-hand items to be released soon. We are also posting some on-hand items from Batch 1, so make sure to check our main accounts. Balances for Batch 3 items are extended. For remaining balances for Batch 3 items, originally until June 30 is the deadline, but you can still settle it later than that. Just make sure you will not cancel your order. Since getting out in the midst of this pandemic is not that easy, you can pay at your own convenient time. Writers started posting their AU entries for Chi-Chi PH AU Writing Fest. We encourage all readers to use hashtag Chi-Chi PH AU Writing Fest for their QRT of their reactions, feedbacks, comments on the story. Be sure to check out their entries and support your faves. Chicas. For the hot chicas, here's the top K-pop news since June 1 up to 9. EXO Slay makes a solo return with cinematic lit MV. Baekhyun's second mini-album, The Light, has not only swept various weekly album sales sites, but it also sold over 700,000 copies in its first week. Twice Once More and More in hypnotic comeback MV and soars to top of major real-time charts. Big Bang's MV, Bang Bang Bang, hits 450 million views. Astro announces date and details for their online concert, so make sure to check them out. Red Velvet's Irene and Sulgi drew a monster in teaser for their upcoming subunit debut. Mamamoo Wasa unveils intriguing teaser for Maria's solo comeback. Blackpink and Lady Gaga's Sour Candy spends second week on Billboard's Hot 100 and lands top 20 spot on UK's official singles chart. Also, Blackpink released heart-stopping teasers for their pre-release of How You Like That single on June 26. The boys earned a spot for Mnet's upcoming show, Kingdom, as they won and compete against ONF, Pentagon, One Us, and Very Very in Road to Kingdom. Congratulations to the both artists and fandoms. This is the outcome of hard works you risk just to achieve it. We are proud of you guys. 축하합니다. June 2020 will never be forgotten. This will be remembered as comeback month of the year 2020. By the way, happy belated birthday to Hashi of 17, Yosang from 80s, Shonu of Monsta X, Yabuki Nako of IZ*ONE, and also Happy birthday to Super Juniors Ryuwok, J-Sep of Card, and Bean of Miss A. Also, to all birthday celebrants today, happy birthday to all of you. And also for those who will celebrate their birthdays on this coming week, advance happy birthday to you guys. More birthdays to come and God bless you. Lot of exciting events and games are coming just for our dearest Chifang. Korean language? Video? Well, we'll serve it to you soon, so stay updated. That's all for this week's Chi News. Day6J once reminded us that don't be an impulsive buyer. Gastos responsibly. Make sure to hit like and share this video and subscribe on our YouTube channel. Let us reach 1,000 subscribers to receive an amazing prize on our lucky winner. Don't forget to push the notification bell button to be updated on our weekly announcements, giveaways, and Chi News. Again, this is Admin Z, your weekly Chi News anchor signing off. Kamsahamnida.